What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna buy the new bundle. Here we go. Here we go. Guys, I just bought it. Guys, I bought it. Go. I bought it. Wait, no. I did. I'm gonna be the first one to the top. Guys, come on! How are we supposed to come up? Firework grapple. Guys, take a snowflake. I did. Oh no, guys, I'm falling! Ah! Okay, guys, let me remove. Okay, guys, so let's review the new bundle. So what does the new outfit look like? I'll be damned. Dang, that outfit looks fresh. I'm out of cotton.
I have cotton too.
Bro, I was trying to get up there, but then I'm like, this outfit is fresh.
Yeah, it's really fresh right now.
Let me test the new item. The Giphy. Sick! I work at Burger King, Maple Flavor Whopper.
How do you
If
go
you're
to the leaderboard?
wait! I just wait! No, wait, hold on.
How do you leave the room without going to the leaderboard and having toys?
I just bought the new bundle. I just lost my dog.
What is it? What is it?
We've spent a lot. I just bought the new bundle.
Oh, field trips.
I bought the new bundle.
Yeah, Zayden secretly had a
business. Die!
So I just bought the new bundle.
Get out. Oh no. Not today. Good boy. Get him out. Hey, yo. Why'd you kiss him?
Oh.
Well, this guy ain't funny.
Just to let you know you're not funny.
Yay!
Yeah, just know you're not funny.
Buying the new bundle was not a mistake.
Cocoa business better.
Oh, I just hit him from the Bro, I need you.
Guys, I just bought the new bundle.
Okay, wait, come in the hot cocoa shop.
Bro, give me this.
Bro,
I'm actually finna spend all my life savings on this game. I'm counting every penny that I have.
Cups of hot cocoa.
I swear.
So, that's like almost it.
I want to put in my wrist list now. 200 shiny.